pretty awesome. You see my bag and my stuff over there. Where I'm headed. Ooh, look at this right here. This right here is either field garlic, wild onion. You can usually tell I'm gonna grab off just a little tip here. I don't want to damage it too much. Can smell it? Yeah, it's onion. Some wild onion right there. You can tell the wild onions and garlics because of the roundness of the leaves. You can see these blades of grass here and there. I mean, they're just tubular. This is really good stuff, but what you do with this is you get down. I'm not going to dig it up, but you get down underneath this dirt, and right underneath the, right underneath the dirt is going to be the bulbs, and they're really tiny, but they are delicious and full of flavor. This is what we're walking on here to get back to my stuff. Oh, that was wobbly. Here's a view from up top. I'll walk over here. Step on this. I gotta watch where I'm going because this stuff is really slippery. I don't want to fall into that. Looks like it's, yeah, you can see the bottom. I know it's great clean water. Some of the cleanest water you'll ever see. But that's probably about 3 feet deep. There we go. And get a good view of that here. Raise the camera up a little bit. Hopefully get you a good view. And this is behind all that. This little canyon, you can't even see the cabin. But I gotta get out of here. I'll show you the cabin on the way out. Probably shoot some more of the trail on the way out. But catch up with you. What I'm doing here is I've got the camera right on top of my head, holding it with my hand. Hopefully this works out like I hope it does. You can see here, nice little pool. There's the cabin, right there. So, I mean, there's all kinds of like geodes and zoom in here. Little geodes. I mean, they're everywhere. All kinds of fossils. This area gets a lot of the glacial debris. I don't actually know if the glacier even hit this area, but I assume with all these fossils and all this glacial, a lot of these glacial rocks, like, geodes and igneous rocks of that nature, you can probably find some gold here. Have to get a gold painting permit. Your gold's going to be real tiny. Nice little rock formation. I'll try to zoom in on this. cool. Nice mossy rocks there. Lots of rock formations back here. This area is kind of close to the rock shelter. Alright. Again, you gotta be real careful on these rocks. Because I just slipped. Didn't fall. But right there, man. I tried getting right there. It's nice and flat right here. But right there, it's not. Here's the cabin. This is an old cabin here. They still rent this out. Check with the forest office about that. Don't come in here and start trying to get in the cabin and tear it up, please. If you do that, then they'll probably take it down. And we don't want that, because they still rent it out to people. There's no beds, no furniture, just like a fireplace in there. That's pretty much it. They got a whole outhouse over here. But kind of going off trail a little bit. Comes up right here, nice little bridge. Kinds of cool rock structures right here. You can see awesome little rocks embedded in the stuff there. There's the outhouse. There's the view of it.